Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Johnston and I will be your instructor this semester for the interviewing course, and I am very sorry to be delayed in getting some of this welcome information to you, but I've been a little under the weather with a cold, and so now I can finally speak and maybe get some of this information out to you. I'm looking forward to having you guys in this class this semester. I think you're going to find that this class is very useful on many levels, and I feel like that you'll leave this semester understanding interviewing from a couple of different perspectives with a little bit more depth. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I'm currently an adjunct instructor here at UALR. I recently moved from a full-time instructor position to a new job with a company called First Orion, where I'm the Director of Learning and Development. And I have actually an opportunity to do quite a bit of interviewing lately, so I have just some very recent experience that I can share with you through this process. But I'm very happy to be able to keep teaching in this online format so that I can stay connected to students and to many of the interesting topics related to communication. So let me just take a second and walk you through the course and kind of show you some things that we're going to start with. I know most of you have submitted your intro videos as well as giving some information about your most recent interviews. So I feel like you're pretty good with the whole thread, creating a thread and whatnot, but so this will be more just going over some documents and things of that nature. Let's start with the syllabus. If you haven't taken a look at that, we'll look at it together for just a second. This is my contact information. Please send me an email. That's the best way to get me. Do not message me through Blackboard. I don't check that. So my UALR email is the best way to reach me. Let's see. So we have at the beginning of the syllabus the mission of the Department of Communication, and that is to foster the co-creation of better social worlds through positive communication. So we'll definitely be focused on that as we look at interviewing and how we can create a positive experience in that way. And then we have 6 goals of analyzing messages, developing messages, looking at communication barriers, goals, differences, and also how we influence discourse and communication with others. And this class will definitely apply to all of those topics as well, and we'll work to achieve our department goals through some of our activities and assignments. So the course description for this class, we're going to actually do 6 things. We're going to look at some theories related to interviewing. We're going to look at ethics in interviewing, how to construct and use effective questions, answer questions appropriately, and conduct effective probing interviews. And then, of course, we'll look at professionalism, preparation, and competence in multiple stages of the employment interview. So this is definitely a skills-based class, a little bit of theory, but mostly just getting out there and conducting interviews. We do use the Interviewing Principles and Practices book. We'll use this book quite a bit this semester, so it's important that you have a copy of that. We have 3 units that we'll cover. The first is an introduction to interviewing. So just the basics, the types of interviews, interpersonal communication in interviews, questions, structure, all of that will be covered in the first unit. And your primary assignment for that unit will be a networking interview. Then we're going to look at surveys and preparing for a professional interview. So we'll look at different survey techniques, survey questions, survey analysis. We'll make sure that everyone has a solid LinkedIn profile, which plays a large role in the next unit that we'll have. We'll also do some personal assessments just to kind of get an idea of who you are and what you're looking for in your interviews. And then the major assignment for that will be an informative survey and also to have a LinkedIn site, which some of you may already have. If you have a project you're doing for another class or something like that where you need to do a survey, hopefully we can kind of partner with that so that you're not having to do 2 of those. But we'll talk about that more in Unit 2. For Unit 3, this is going to be a job interview. And so we'll practice behavioral interviewing, resumes, and cover letters. And then you'll do a role play. So you will be assigned a partner in this class to work with virtually. You're not expected to work together in person necessarily. You can if you want to, but it's not required. And we have different tools in Blackboard that will allow you guys to communicate and video chat and that sort of thing. So when we get to that point, we'll go over all of that. The way the class is structured, I typically put our new readings and assignments either on Friday or Saturday of each week, and they're due the following Friday. So I try to keep things in a pretty solid schedule and give you about a week to do the assignments. This is not a very heavy content assignment driven class. I don't believe in busy work, so everything that we do really does point to a larger project. So it's a lead up to something else that we'll be working on. But if at any time you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Chapter assignments that we'll have, again, just as a review, the first major assignment's a networking interview. The second one is a survey and LinkedIn site, and then the third one is the employment interview. So the general policies of the class are pretty straightforward. I just ask that we respect one another when we're giving answers and sharing information. That we make deadlines. Again, I try to keep this on a pretty consistent schedule. So if it's going to take more than a week or so for you to get the assignment in, then let me know and I'll be happy to work with you. But it is important that you stay caught up on everything. And then also open communication, making sure that we are open with one another of any issues that we may have or any questions that you have. Please always contact me. I don't mind answering any questions at all. The rest of the syllabus is our honesty and integrity statement, which I'm sure you've seen in other syllabi. Just don't plagiarize your work, do your own work. We also have student resources for Blackboard, IT services, and our Disability Resource Center as well. So if at any time you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Again, I'm happy to go over everything with you. Okay, so now we've taken a look at the syllabus. Let's take a look at the schedule. Schedule, what I typically do is schedule in 5-week blocks. So Unit 1 first, Unit 2, and then Unit 3. And the way you read it is this is a list of the topics that we'll be covering in a given week, and this is when the assignments are due. So you can see for week 2, there's an interviewing definition and model video for you guys to watch, and then these are the 2 assignments that are due. And they will coordinate with the dates that you see here. So week 2 is here. You click on week 2, and you'll see everything that you need. And it'll be the same for the following weeks as well. So when you want to know what to do in a given week, just click on the link here, and you'll see everything you need for that week's work. So I hope this gives you kind of an intro to the class and lets you know a little bit about what we'll be doing. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. I'm also happy to hop on the phone with you and have a conversation as well. And I'm just really looking forward to this semester and some good things that we're going to do. Thank you very much.